I've been looking into something that I think is on a lot of our minds lately.
Oh, yeah.
Dental care. Specifically, the state of it here in the UK.
Ah, the big one.
The very big one.
Mm.
I mean, we all know the story. You need something complex, maybe some implants. And you're suddenly looking at a bill that's, well, it's the price of a small car. It's just not achievable for most people.
It's a genuine crisis point, isn't it? You've got the NHS backlog on one side and private fees that are, frankly, eye-watering on the other.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But that's why I wanted to talk about this company, Mediglobe. They're proposing a different path.
Right, the whole health and holiday concept in Antalya, Turkey.
Yeah, and that's usually where my skepticism kicks in. The idea of flying abroad for surgery,
Yeah.
it feels like a huge risk.
It's the #1 hesitation, of course.
But they're talking about getting the same high-end treatments for up to 70% less. How does the math on that even work? Are they just using cheaper materials?
That's the first question everyone asks, and it's a fair one. But no, that's not it. The savings don't come from the product.
Okay.
They're using the same world-class brands for implants and veneers you'd find in any top clinic here. The difference is almost entirely from, labor costs, lower operational overheads, things like that.
So the quality of the actual dental work,
Yeah.
the materials, that's the same.
Precisely. It's the postcode that changes the price, not the product.
Hmm.
But Mediglobe seems to understand that price isn't the only hurdle.
It's the trust issue, right? The fear of the unknown.
Exactly. And that's where their new approach is really quite clever. They're not just waiting for people to fly to Turkey on blind faith anymore.
This is the London event you mentioned.
Yes, they're dental consultation days. They are physically bringing their dentists and surgeons to London to meet people first.
So this isn't just a sales pitch. You're meeting the actual clinical team.
It's a full clinical consultation. You bring your x-rays, you sit down one-on-one with the dentist who would be performing your treatment. They'll assess everything right there and give you a complete, detailed treatment plan.
And a fixed price. That part stood out to me.
Yes, a fixed price with no hidden fees. It's designed to eliminate that horror story we've all heard.
Where you land and suddenly the price doubles because of some complication they found.
Exactly. This London meeting removes that risk. It allows you to shake their hand, to ask them directly, how will you manage my pain? Or what's the recovery like?
You get to vet them on your home turf.
You're in control. It completely bridges that trust gap.
Let's talk about the treatments for a second. They mentioned things like a Hollywood smile with zirconia veneers. Why is zirconia such a big deal?
It's really about two things: aesthetics and durability. It's an incredibly strong ceramic, so it's very hard to chip or crack.
Okay.
But more importantly, it has this translucency that perfectly mimics a natural tooth. There's no gray metal line at the gum, which you sometimes got with older crowns. It's the gold standard.
And in the UK, that's often a premium and expensive add-on.
With Mediglobe, it's the baseline standard of care. Same with the big restorative work, like they're all-on-4 or all-on-6 implants.
Right, for people who need a whole new set of teeth.
Yes, a full arch restoration. It's a complex procedure that costs a fortune here, but it's their specialty. They've streamlined the entire process.
And if you decide to go ahead, the trip itself is part of the package.
It's not just the treatment. They handle the VIP airport transfers, the hotel accommodation. They're trying to reframe it. You're not just a patient, you're a guest. Your recovery happens by the coast, not in a dreary waiting room.
It's a very compelling model.
Yeah.
And I saw there's an extra incentive to actually go to the London meeting.
There is. If you decide to book your treatment during the consultation in London, they unlock an exclusive discount package for you.
So they're rewarding you for doing your due diligence in person.
It makes sense for everyone.
So the final takeaway here seems pretty clear. For anyone listening who's felt stuck, priced out of getting their smile fixed, this London event sounds like a completely risk-free first step to see what's actually possible.
It is. Just go have a conversation, get a professional opinion, and see a concrete plan. There's absolutely no obligation.
At the end of the day, it seems like fixing your smile shouldn't require you to win the lottery.
It shouldn't. It should just require a smart connection.
Fascinating. Thanks for breaking all that down.
My pleasure.